na sani ya de Nyankopon asem ede bra mo bre ne don nyina na ye hwɛ sɛ ye nyina ye be pensem Bible a otwedi ampo Nyankopon de ama me no be no sɛ ye hwehwɛ mu na emmoa ye na ye hu nea ɔno Nyankopon na dwene ene ne pɛ ete na yetumi abobra ese na efata na yaso nani no eno na ye ne wo esiada ne da nyina na mesanso ma akwa ba bio me ba cho ya YouTube channel no subscribe like na woni afoforo enche yesanso wa Facebook Church of Christ Akim Oda New Town na enna ye be bisase edan asem kura ne ba be ka ho asemi obroni be kese the secret of the Bible. Yata tete bebre se nipa bi asore na wose won the Bible na eda ho no hon kron na o kire won na ye na desua no medi kan be say se hon kron na o kire a Christopher kwan a won fa so no wonya nkwaja anka Paul of all people one can't Timothy say all senior chira seminal in the first century. And it anyano pare. Na mama say ye him 1000 ba ku bi adi emfan chira wo. Bra ye sua di. Me pa wo. Bible no ya chiro ne sa. Na senia eda ho na ye ken kan no. Obroni free bi say the letters and then the spirits of the Bible. Me pa what pen. You Urente esane se asofo no enka nkyere wo se yekase the letters ne ayeken kan ewo Bible no mo no yemfa ne se ya fa bi o 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse number 6 Ose who also had made us able ministers of the New Testament, not of the latter. But I said, I'm making a friend of the letters of the Spirit. After year war, the background and the spirits of the letters now yakin can no. And only a friend of the background. Now, you better be. You enemy say, Chiro Semino. So for Bible no as a whole. Ya teachem your apam for fruit and your apam de down. There is no doubt about it. And it will be any. Now, yes, also, a pang ahurubia yankopong a fast on the nipa and nanteway. As I pangano, one I was say, yankopong, what the honor yankopong frere one, and it was here a day in a home grown and a church. And I miss it, and yano pare. It is never true. That's the the make dispensations. What scriptures in Uma? Obewa Betias say, in praying near Medi or Honma, a soft one I was a warrior who throw one soft on the car. And Yano Pare. It is there are 3 dispensations in the Bible. Men obeshe. If you add the one fiase. And Yankopon ba Adam and Eve no abepem se isu yiri no ebe wiase na ekwan no ye frɛ no the patriarchal dispensation the battle that ye nie pa and am no be introduction na what you said na yesi ma afa ya kyerɛkyerɛ embra ene ahyɛde ene atamudi Yankopon de ma saafo no a enne a Christopher and Chichirian. Many are with ye many or dofu a wishame. It's a patriarchal dispensation. She bet my boy and Hoka Kra, Genesis chapter 1. Echo Pim, Exodus chapter 19. And your friend, the patriarchal age. But what a pen. As of the one guy, you know. Na bebre sunnim na won a wadi minus wadi hintaw esa ne se won pesa mo be hu no kwar no na no kwar no ayebo adehye It is yes, the patriarchal dispensation, and as a janmo bre. It is a bre no. Nyankopon pese one nipa edi nkita ho a na one a janmo no e na edi nkita ho. Heirs of families. Afei ni atoso abiem ye be friend the Mosaical age and a dispensation. Better still, you can call it the moon age. Now, Exodus chapter 20. I copy Acts chapter 1, the book of Acts, chapter 1. Your friend is the Mosaical age. And now say Moses, the Israel for him. Now we go to Embrano and the bread Israel for no. Sa someone so na ewo. The Mosaical dispensation. And also Nyankopon de nemra and na temode de man Israel fo nko aye o man Israel nko a wan fa mawi asemu ni nyinara na ne atwa to ya me no ehwe no ye friend the Christian age eye Christosom onu adofo ya wetie me se wo hwe patriarchal age ana ejanom som na be hwe Mosaical age ana se Israel fo som na be hwe Christian age a Nyankopon ene nipa enante we ya sa age si nyinara ensonsone ewom embra Nyankopon de ma Israel fo no enye sa embra no de ma the patriarchs ana ejanom no embra ode ma Israel for no enye sa embra no ena mprempren Christian age ode amayen na to da na Bible ne yafuntuma fra na de bi wa me no be hwe the major dispensations in the Bible and other scriptures. Na mom na watwe be simi no me no be hwe embra Nyankopon ade ma patriarchs no na wan fa ma eye Israel for no and answer the Mosaical age wan fa ma won and embra ode ma Mosaical age sabre no won na wo ho na ne anfa ma yen na se metuma bua wo kakra wa was Israel for the near to me ware bebre. That is the Mosaical age. Embra ba ko na wo me say wutumi ware more than one. But na me bisa wo say Christian age metuma ware more than one ana there be. Afa e jana wo bre no na wutumi e ware wo ya wo nuabea. Na so edu Israel fo bre so no eye Mosaical age no. Wo ware wo nuabea e busu. Enu ya no me adofo no. Sara nso ana se uba Christosum a aware abien enye adwuma Israel for no na wade mo ebo afore Christians yemfa emo emfa mo afore Christo abebo afore once and for all. And it will say dispensation bia wo emra ewom it is amedo toto Ghana ho a Ghana yes your first republic, your second republic, your third republic, and your fourth republic. And no muna yewe. Emra na first republic. What the year juma no? Impremprenya no na me no what the year juma. And one thing, and I have a huda Christosum a confusion. Esi bebebeni ninaye. Tia yente sa dispensations he ase. And it will be a sorry. I was saying Nyankopon afred. And it in your open or ye. On the other fair with ye, Bible no da was ano. My education catches we have the spirit and then we have the letters. You can come in the side and here be say we say, oh, that's when you Bible. There be. So I'm showing you Betty. Paul I can't say me at the church Timothy. 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse number 15. It says, study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that need not to be ashamed, rightly divide the word of truth. Chichachira usabino me pepe no kwasemino say ye janum bra chichemu sanya e janum bre asomoyi say ye Mose breswa chichemu sanya ete pepe na say Christosomon so a chichemu sanya Christosom emra de na hyede ene na atemode eye pepepe. Eduanum de adofo no confusion a we wiase nyina ne se asafo bebre ente saa ensem yase na bebre nso abunua de agu ngasum esan se yempa de sua na dana me ka kire wusi Timothy anampo ne nena ene ne maame ye Kristo wo wosom Nyankopɔn no Paul ka kire so nsua na onche kyekire usem no na nya woni me baanu a yen no emfi bebre etwema yen sa be ka kire no a be ka kire yen se ma yen sua na emom kronkron no be frɛ yen za kronkron no wo frɛ bi a ofra ngo frɛ Timothy Paul wo kyerɛ no enu anum ne adofo no enya no kwada some brain Christianity ana Christosom ayetimu no on kronkron fro bi na ode kyerɛ osem na man se ne obekyerɛ ase na asofo no mesan so esisu bia bio wokengan Peter homa edikan tia eye anan no chichemu du baako osi se obi ka asema onka ne se Nyankopɔn asem se obi nso soma on som se ahoɔden a Nyankopɔn de ama no na mesre asofo no menua asofo no no na yebɔmɔden na kyerɛ osem ne yensua na enye se wo fa ya na wakenkan ya na wate ase yesua yebeku na se yenim so na se yebisa yebeku Kristo nka ho no nhira na wotwe se ne yebeba be pensem embra ewo dispensation bia mo edane mo som Israel for some and Kristo som yebeba be hwehwem koso aneti Church of Christ TV Akemoda New Town your YouTube yasanso on Facebook bomadi na subscribe on Facebook you know join in na share what the amanfo enche na yankwaso ne entie Bible mu pensem mu de ade kire na yenwie sa adumadi me jedi se obeye nhira na obeti nia ba bia wo sofo onka nkire wo nanso obeturi etie na aboa wo na ode atu anamon na yenkide so suma brabo a ye bono etimi awie bodi Nyankopɔn ka ho no nhira wo ewo Yesu Kristo dim amen.